Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your tower trio. They come in two different shapes, the cube or the triangle, and they both assemble the exact same way. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First, lay out all the individual coral pieces on a clean flat surface with the printed side face down. Connect all the pieces together utilizing the power tabs and make those connections on all the corners. And then simply fold the coral pieces together to start making your shapes. Now that all the coral pieces are together via the connectors, you can now start assembling the tower. Go ahead and place the first one on the floor with the slits at the top. The middle piece doesn't have any of the slits, and that will go in the middle. And then the final coral shape goes on the top. Again, lining up those slits. And there you have it. Your tower trio is now ready for use.